My mama told me that she proud of me. See all this effort, nothing better than that recognition. She know I'm special from the womb, she knew I had a spark.
So this is Jeep straight off the factory floor. Already came with the hoods. Got the scoop vents and everything that's like just like the SRT. Got the flares. Still got like the side rocker panel as well. My boy over here doing some little caliper work. Got the rocker panels. Still the same thing on the side. The rear bumper is actually different. Rear bumper is different as well. See, we got the single exhaust. Single exhaust here. I went on the SRT, they got the single exhaust as well. But you know, most people do 5-inch tips. These are more of a rectangle. So that's different on here. Also, another thing that I did differently to my Jeep is the door unlock, bro. Interior is different. Interior is different. Cluster is different. You know, you got the steering wheel is different. Obviously, we all know the knobs is different. This one does not come with SRT pages. The seats are different, but this is how mine came straight from factory. This is an example. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did to mine and how I did it type of deal. These also come with the regular brakes, regular calipers. So yeah, it's how mine looked at rare form. But anyway, while we in here though, my boy in here, new shop, new beginnings, still building, still growing. Y'all already know the same thing. I'm gonna tell them one more time, bro. Shout them out. Let them know what your IG is if they need to reach you.
Welch Custom, WELCH.
How the fuck you
custom?
How the fuck you stuttering? That's your last name.
Man, my nose, I got bad.
Nasty ass nose, man. We got this nigga got a scat and don't even bring it outside. Don't post it, nothing, bro. Like you weird, bro. How you be around everybody that do YouTube and you don't do nothing? You just here, and you don't even get no bitches with it. I don't get it. Like, what's up, bro? You might as well let me drive the scat. What's up with you?
Why you sitting here trying to call me out, trying to get me to snitch on myself on camera?
What you? So you just snitched on your own self by saying that, bro. All right, whatever, dude. Whatever.
Man, go follow.
Right.
Go follow Hit Me Boy 392. Tell me to get back on YouTube.
Follow who?
Hit Me Boy _392. Man, get that
Damn, you ugly folks. But I'm gonna have my people fuck with you though, huh?
Turn the camera.
They done seen what I look like, goofy. It ain't nothing but a bunch of niggas watching this anyway. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Ruck in here. Ruck, what you gonna do with this Jeep, man? You just
Get that motherfucking camera out my face.
you post all these pictures on the internet being cute as shit. Now you don't want to be on the internet. Come on, G. Got my boy D in the cut. Hey, come on, D. You want to shout out your socials, man?
Of course, man. You already know. I do all the rapping and stuff. Instagram is Hunter the Rapper. I know you, but go ahead, check me out.
Check out his shit. You see he doing some work. Got the C8 in the cut. I'm just not doing it. Got the slingshot out here. Got big boy toys. But anyway, we're going to get back to the video. I'm going to show y'all mine whip. It's dark as hell out. So I'm going to check back in a minute. My boy Ruck in the cut. Hiding from the camera. What you hiding from the camera for, dude? Damn. He's scared to get on the internet, man. He came through, bought his Jeep. That boy said he wanted a Rango and put up on me in a Jeep. That's crazy. Same Jeep I got. But anyway, look, I got a couple people that asked me, you know, what did I do to my Jeep to make my Jeep look like an SRT? What did I buy? Blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to show y'all an example from this Jeep right here. This straight from factory. This is how mine came from the factory. Show y'all what I bought, what's different, what's the same, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, front end is obviously different from the Jeep SRT. Fog lights is at the middle. At the middle, the grill inserts are a lot bigger. It's more round at the bottom. Mine's obviously more square. Then I added all type of different stuff. The side of this Jeep already has fender flares. I already got the fender flares and everything. So I did not buy those, but I will tell you, SRT fenders are bigger. They are bigger. So if you do get the SRT front end and you don't plan on buying the slide fender flares, you gotta actually shave some of the flare on the bumpers of the fronts. But so this is the Jeep. All right, guys, got both Jeeps in the shop. My boy just got some custom work on his Jeep. He got the orange rings in front of this shit on black. I think that touch is crazy. That touch is crazy right there. That's different. Went got his calipers orange. Them look good as hell. Them look good as hell. But look, I'm gonna get back to it, man. Look, so the difference, everybody was asking me what difference that I did to my Jeep I explained before. So you see the back rear bumper. Back rear bumper is a little different. Got the pipes or whatever. Got one single, I don't even know what you wanna call it. And I got on mine, currently I got the quad tips. And you also see that the shape of the bumper is different. So I got the SRT rear end on here. So that's a little different. Other than that, really identical, straight down the middle. So basically I changed the bumper. I just went and got an SRT bumper. It's literally bolt on. All I did was change the sensors out of my old bumper, put it in here. It was pretty much all plug in. The major thing that I did, I'm gonna turn it off real quick. Major thing, difference that I did on this one, right? So everybody was asking me, what did it take or what did you do to be able to get this front end? I basically ordered the kit. I ordered the whole kit. You can get it from justforjeeps.com, bmccustomextremes.com. So if you look at it, right, these inserts are a lot bigger, a lot bigger, and these are smaller, right? These inserts are a lot bigger. You can buy a bumper, SRT bumper, and put it on the vehicle, but you're gonna be missing a lot of the plastics. It's gonna make a huge difference. It's gonna look crazy. This shit ain't gonna feel. You see here, the fog lights are in the middle. My fog lights are at the bottom. So now you gotta get a whole new like bracket and everything to go down here with the vents. So I advise everybody to buy the kit instead of going around looking around for every individual piece. Most people that crash these fucking cars, crash them in the front. They, you know what I'm saying? So usually this shit ain't even gonna exist no more. If you look at this black plastic right here is 100% different. This is separate from the bumper. On here, these is a part of the bumper. So that's another difference. Obviously the grill inserts, these are smaller. I got this little airway vent on there. There is no airway vent on that one. The lip that's on this vehicle, I actually added it on. So that's a little different, but for the most part, this all bolt on, bro. All these little plastics right here. I put this whole bumper together on my own. Only thing I didn't do, I didn't paint it. All this, I put this whole fucking thing together. This is a bracket that's different. Like this whole little piece is different that go under there. You know, these are different. These inserts are not, not a part of this. This grill is different. The grill is different down here. You know, also, when you order this, right? If you have a Jeep Limited X, no matter the engine, you already gonna have the side flares. You could just order the bumper and use your same side flares. The only difference is the SRT side flares on the bumpers are actually a little wider. So actually I got this shaved down a little bit to match and to get it to flow. If you do not have a Limited X, I'll recommend everybody to order the side flares for the front and back. You will need them. You will also need that the rocker panel on the side. You're gonna need that as well if you do not have the Limited X version. Also, wheel liners. Wheel liners is totally different from this vehicle, from factory. This is the same vehicle as this one. Wheel liners is totally different. You need to buy that as well. Otherwise, you're gonna be kicking all type of shit up in your engine bay, rocks, dust, everything, that's different. And the belly pan. The belly pan, what goes underneath the car, that is actually different. There's a bigger gap in the inside from factory to this. A way different gap. Way different gap. Only thing left on me, on my Jeep to do next is to lower it. That's coming soon. But yeah, so if you do not have a Limited X, I recommend everybody to order the front end. Get the whole kit. You're gonna need the bumper, the front and rear bumper. You're gonna need the side flares, the rocket panel, the belly pans. You're gonna need the whole nine. Now, it is an option to get the fog lights. The fog lights, you get fog lights on this year of like, 18, 19. That's SRT. You could choose not to. The track cars don't come with fog lights. Me, I like the fog lights because it's better to see in view. So, yeah, that's the major difference. I had a lot of people requesting me, DMing me, asking me what was the difference, so I made a video to explain. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. My boy came over. My boy D Welch got him right with the calipers, got him right with this. I'm not gonna lie. Bro made me want to get some shit like that on my, because that stands out crazy. Stands out crazy. But anyway, checking in, checking out. Catch you in a minute.
My mama told me that she proud of me. See all this effort, nothing better than that recognition. She know I'm special from the womb, she knew I had a spark.